everybody, it's Greg again from Heck Yeah, You Can Cook, and today we're going to make a quick mashed potato. We got a bag of 24 ounces of the medley potatoes. The skin will be on when you make these mashed potatoes, so if you want the skin off, not the dish for you. But this is for if you don't mind it, and actually the skin is the healthiest part. This is a 24-ounce bag, medley potatoes, 8 minutes in the microwave. We're going to use that in just a minute. 2 tablespoons of butter. We're going to soften this or let it sit to room temperature, and you're also going to cube it beforehand. You've got a teaspoon of cracked black pepper. You've got a teaspoon of Himalayan salt. I've got my 16-cup mixing bowl here. It's about the right size that you need to mix this up. You're going to need a masher. Do a mash. Y'all probably don't remember that song, but anyway. And we're going to need a spatula for part of the dish at the end. We're going to come back in 8 minutes. We're going to microwave these, and we're going to show you what we do in our quick and easy mashed potatoes. The potatoes have heated now in the microwave for 8 minutes and sat for the required 2. Using a pair of scissors, I put it on a plate to keep yourself from getting burned by any liquid that may come out. We're going to slice it across the top. Alright, just like that. Bring your mixing bowl in. Alright, everybody see our nice mixing bowl. Put the loop size so you have something to handle if you've got one of those. And we're going to put that right into the bowl right there. Looks just like this. Alright. Set that aside. Butter, right in. Black pepper, right in. Sea salt, right in. Take your friendly masher, and we're going to start mashing. And this may take a little bit of power, a little pop, to keep mashing it down. Have it looking like that very soon. Keep working up. Now I work up like this. See the steam coming off to push the butter through. This takes a few minutes. Quick and easy mashed potatoes. Take your spatula. Scrape off all the peelings if you want them. It's a good time if you don't want them. Most of the peelings have come off. You can take them off. Take them out. Into the sink that goes. And now, just fold over like so. Quick and easy mashed potatoes. If it gets a little dry here, you can add a little moisture. This looks pretty good. You see, mashed potatoes. Nothing too complicated. Family think you're working magic. Microwave did all the work. You just push that into a serving bowl. And this works as a wonderful base for anything you may be cooking with, especially if it has some juices. And there you go. How easy was that? Mashed potatoes, all right, good base, something you can do, very healthy, very nutritious, just a little bit of butter in there. If you don't like butter, I'm sure you could substitute something else in there, maybe avocado oil, perhaps even another type of oil. If you want to kick these up a bit more, you can add some other type of seasonings, garlic powder, onion powder. Choice is up to you. I made these kind of plain. We're going to put these down, and then you serve them on anything. All right, everybody, have a wonderful afternoon.